Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, I have a piece of information that is really good considering this COVID-19 pandemic. So Atlantic immigration pilot that was introduced in 2017 by the government of Canada to boost the economy of Atlantic regions. And as you heard, it's pilot, so it was like a trial and error basis. But after its success, this has been approved to be a permanent program from Jan 2022. So after 5 years, it has been after 5 years of its initiation date, it has now become permanent, and it has supported like more than 10,000 permanent residents there. So I mean, now they'll be beginning accepting application starting March 6, 2022. So it's good that now people have another option that is permanent. So hopefully this helps more people to achieve their Canadian dreams. Thanks for watching this, guys.